Welcome to the modern Coca-Cola factory, where robotics and high-speed automation turn simple ingredients into the world's most iconic drink. Every batch starts with precise syrup preparation, ensuring perfect taste consistency in every bottle.
Sterilized PET bottles arrive ready to be filled automatically, aligned perfectly for high-speed production.
The syrup is carefully blended with purified water, balancing BRIX and acidity for that signature Coca-Cola flavor. Each PET bottle is filled precisely, ensuring every sip is perfectly carbonated.
Capped bottles are sealed automatically, ready for labeling and inspection. Advanced labeling ensures brand consistency and accurate coding on every bottle.
Strict quality checks verify seal integrity and carbonation levels in each bottle.
Every ingredient is measured with precision to maintain the iconic taste formula. Syrup and water are blended in controlled conditions to ensure perfect flavor and consistency.
Cold carbonation injects CO2, giving the beverage its signature fizz and taste. Cold carbonation injects CO2, giving the beverage its signature fizz and taste.
Inline sensors scan each bottle, checking fill levels and cap placement automatically. High-speed lines run in perfect coordination, allowing thousands of bottles per hour.
Human inspectors complement AI checks, verifying quality and safety before packing.
Finished bottles are securely packed for shipping using automated machinery. Multiple production lines operate simultaneously, all synchronized for maximum efficiency.
CO2 injection is precisely controlled to maintain carbonation standards in every bottle.
Each filled bottle is inspected visually and electronically before moving to capping.
Robotic capping ensures every bottle is sealed airtight for freshness.
Syrup is stored in large tanks, constantly monitored for temperature and concentration.
Automated valves ensure precise flow of syrup into blending tanks.
Purified water passes through multiple filters and UV sterilizers for purity.
Syrup and water are blended in precise ratios, maintaining the iconic flavor profile.
Cold carbonation injects CO2 carefully, giving the drink its signature fizz. High-speed lines operate in perfect synchronization to handle thousands of bottles per hour.
Human inspectors complement automation, verifying quality and taste in random samples.
Finished bottles are securely packed into cartons by automated machinery. Cartons are loaded onto trucks efficiently for distribution worldwide. Multiple lines run simultaneously, synchronized for maximum efficiency and speed.
Packed bottles are placed in cartons efficiently for shipment. Pallets are moved carefully to the loading area for distribution.
Finished products are stored securely before distribution, maintaining freshness and safety.
And that's how Coca-Cola is made. Syrup, combining precision, technology, and quality from start to finish.
Finished Coca-Cola bottles are shipped worldwide, ready for stores and consumers.